focus. So go, my focus is this. 3 lights. So I have 3 lights. One going there, one there, and one there. 3. Did those 2 already. Didn't do a live video. Alright, so let's start. First thing we want to do is, alright, pay attention. I taught you guys how to do this already. This one, you bore a hole, bore a little tiny hole. The motion is in your hand, up and down as fast as you can. Less power going towards the sheetrock like you really trying to cut it. You gotta take your time as far as applying pressure. No pressure, just up and down motion. Don't take no power, no strength, no nothing. Just up and down motion, up and down, up and down. Don't apply pressure. Never apply pressure. That's that, y'all. Try hard as possible. Did a bad job with everything else. With that. Alright, guys. So I push this wire through. This is my second leg. Better? That's a little better. Alright guys, let's see what we have over here. Go. So now we have 2 wires over here. It's supposed to be the next one coming from that side, but we're gonna wait on that, guys. So we waiting on cut the hole, measure up, cut the hole. I'm gonna drop these 2 in so you guys can see. Guys, just murmuring to myself. Double check for power. I did that one hot. Power like a bad boy. Power off. Now I can work. Now I can get to work, y'all. I don't know what I did with my pliers. My electrical pliers. Getting it done now. This is my first leg. So what I'm doing, cleaning out the wire, to put in my first box without it being hot. I mean, there ain't no power in the line, but you always want to do these first. You're just more comfortable doing these. Alright. Power, neutral, grounds. As long as you remember that, you can't fail, guys. Trust me, can't fail. Power, neutral, grounds. Red is power, black is power. White is neutral. Not all the time. Not all the time. White can be power too. In some cases. In a lot of cases. So you can't judge. You can't judge the process, my friend. Just gotta do it. So what comes in this pack is these. Neutral, power, ground. Ground is green. In this case, this one green and yellow. So we go measure test. That's too long. Take a little piece off. Just a little bit. And then you go black and black. Go black and black first, guys. What you want to do is, I want to get this bad boy in the box. Power is off. Don't mind me, guys. I'm a little bit retarded. Boom. I measured this one already. All I gotta do is snap it. As easy as this, guys. Look. Look. Done. Just one. Number is a little bit too long. That's it. Just barely a little bit too long. Take a little piece off, boom. Then you find the neutral. Make sure you find the neutral if you can. Make no mistake. Believe it or not, I made mistakes already. I ain't the best. I get it done. And boom, neutral, boom. This switch is done. How you think I know? I just know. Take your time. Don't fold the wires nice and properly. I'm gonna put some tape on it. Boom, that's done. Can't check it, but I know it's finished. What I do with the tape, I don't know. But let's keep this process going. Alright. Boom. Second leg. Remember, it's 3 legs. So we got our second. Clean the wire. Clean up the wires. Boom. This one is a little bit long. As long as hell. As long as shit. Alright, boom. I'm gonna leave it as long as it is. Just in case we want to move these bad boys around. It ain't hard. It ain't hard, man. On this side. Alright, next leg, guys. Next leg, you make sure you turn it on to the light you want. All of them is the same thing. So far, so good. I'm gonna leave this section empty. Like this. In this case now, we have 2 wires. Should be 3. But I'm lazy-minded, guys. Something is wrong with me. I should have fished that wire through. But I started the video already, so I'm just working. 1, 2. Should be 3, but it's only 2. Then you have 1, 2. Same thing over here. Boom. 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 There we go. Boom. There we go. Then we test the lights, guys. Remember, I still have 1 leg left, so I ain't closing them up. Close them up after I put that leg in, and you guys gonna watch me. Hopefully. Let's test it. Let's see what goes on, guys. Let's see what's happening. Sure. We in the money. We in the money, y'all. We in the money. We in the money. All right, boom. It couldn't have been directly over the sink, but I tried. I had the same distance there, the same distance on that side. Barely missing, shy missing the center. A little bit over this way, you can't see it. Boom. Let's see. Now I'm at the third leg. This one is going over here to connect in this box. I showed you everything I put in this box. I think I showed you everything I put in that box. Remember, when you cut in the ceiling, you pray.
Very boy yarn. They are the folded. Right.
Alright guys, we got it. We need no power because I'm connected over here. So, let's mark that off, boom. Nothing to it, showing you out this part already. Show you all again. Clean black, clean white. Clean black, clean white. Boom. Oh, long as that. Black, clean. Birdie pliers.
Hey, Dr. Rick.
Alright guys, and we almost through. We got black with black. We put in white with white. White is not grounds, white is neutral. Like me. Boom. Grounds is blank or copper. Boom. I said black, green, or copper. Boom, and that's done. Now that's done. Now we gotta go over here. Now we go into this one with a whole bunch of wires. Boom. Alright, there we go, guys. But I have no dangles with those wires. I have nothing to do with those wires.
You like a chunk?
Yeah, well, you know what your chunk is. Okay. Your chunk will probably walk off a little bit. Alright, guys, we almost finished. We almost at the end. We're almost to the end. Alright, guys, we close to the end and closer to the better. This out. This we don't need. It's supposed to be a circle thing that you buy. You know, people will catch this wire, but that's a waste of goddamn money. Alright. I'm gonna lift the wire on this. Alright, and it is. Alright. That's the one I'm focusing on. Boom! This wire in. Now remember, it's powered in there already. I have nothing to do with that power. That power is that power. I have nothing to do with me. So you don't touch it, you won't get shocked. You touch it, you're in trouble. Boom. Boom. Nothing's just sitting way around it. Did I go off scene with you? Let's see how well. Don't worry, guys. Ain't no power to break it now. Let's see exactly how I have to shave. But I'll turn on break, I see him now.
We are going to see perfect.
Why? I have to take one I sit and give you a talk about. On a sleeping pill.
Oh.
Oh, that can make a nice video to tape that shit too. But I feel something now, put it up. You look like fuck, right? Oh. Double check. Block.
You ever heard it, man?
But there's something wrong. There's something wrong. There's something wrong. But everything right. Promise you everything right. That's the way I shave.
Make sure it's still
No, make sure I say good. Kind of listen to that or not. More than say shave still, but that or not. Alright, fine. Listen to my mommy, guys. That would not happen.
Which way I do it now? Well.
Scrones. Never open up that blurred meat.
When they put that.
They shouldn't have, because them set this like that for you to turn off the power because you can't really go in there. Alright, check this one. Alright guys, I'm double checking this one.
I think I'm not dead.
I think nothing need to collect it in there. But I'm just have to double check it anyway. Let's have to double check it.
Look at me, that's it.
Yeah, white is white, black with black. Everything alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna check the brake. Let's see what happens.